Hello, Covenant fam. I know it's been a while. I get back on the track tonight. Just wanted to do this quick video. So there are changes coming to Covenant as far as pay for the Estes account. I'm not going to go further into that as of right now. I will do another video. I will include that in the pay video that I'm going to do this week. I actually have to go home and write out everything and do the math because I do it longhand for you guys, so that way you guys are able to see it in full breakdown, like exactly what I'm talking about, so you can follow along, and that way you learn how to do it so that you'll be able to do it on your own, to calculate your own money, okay? And I will also talk about not just calculating your own miles, but also how to stay on top of it without having to kind of guess how many miles you had for the week. So we'll go over that when pay period starts, when it ends, and all that stuff. So, excuse me, I have the hiccups now. So, excuse me, I'll go over that with you guys soon. Oh my god, I had a whole purpose of me doing this freaking video, not only to check in with you guys or to tell you about the upcoming changes. I am trying to do more accounts for Covenant. I'm trying to reach out and get more customers and things like that. Also in the pay video, I will do how the W-2s work, when they get sent out, and all that other stuff, so you guys can kind of know these things. Those of you that are coming in, you guys obviously won't have W-2s from Covenant as of right now, unless you've received like some kind of money. Like if you're already a student, you're on your trainer's truck or whatever, you'll get a W-2 up to however long before they have to be submitted and sent out. So in that instance, you shouldn't have to file taxes for that short amount of time, because you didn't make it for like the threshold for what they require for you to do. So even if you had a previous job, you can file taxes for that, or you get it out. When you file your taxes, if you had a previous job before and you worked there a really long time to where you're going to get a return, okay? Let's say you are going to get a return, or whether you don't. If you made over $6,000 for that year being with whatever company you were with, you have to file taxes with the IRS. You have to file your taxes. But if you've only been with Covenant and you've only gotten so many like weeks or paychecks within the year, you don't have to include Covenant in that. You can save just your Covenant paychecks and your Covenant W-2s for the following year, so that way you'll be able to do it all at the same time. You might want to still check with your tax person, but as far as I know, that you're able to do that. You can choose, as long as you didn't make it through a certain threshold, you don't have to file your taxes for every single job that you had. If you want to hold on to it and save it for, you know, the following year, that's fine too. But again, I am not a tax consultant, so I do my taxes through like TurboTax and stuff. Well, now I go through H&R Block, but I just don't have the time to sit and like actually do my taxes like I used to. So, and then plus it's harder for me because now I have the house and I have like the solar system and all that stuff. So, I want to be able to make sure that I'm getting all my credits and like everything that I'm supposed to have. So I'd rather have a tax professional do it. So I'm not telling you guys to like, oh, screw your taxes or whatever, don't claim anything. I'm just saying that if you want to like put it all together, you can. Anyway. So I kind of went a little further into that than I really want to do, but I'll explain all that further in the pay video as far as like W-2s, taxes, per diem, non-per diem. I've really apologized for that video. I did not know that live was super choppy, and I tried to go back and watch it, but I kept getting interrupted, so I just closed out of it and I uploaded it just because it was something for you guys to kind of go based off of. So I did not know that it was cutting out every other freaking line that I was saying. So you guys probably are like, what the heck is she talking about? So those of you that were part of that live, you probably understood and it didn't cut out. But as far as like those that go back to watch it, it's like a no good like kind of video. So I will be redoing one that is recorded. I like the pre-recorded ones. I don't like the lives because it is choppy and it cuts out and I don't have service and you guys don't have service and all that stuff. So it's just a big mess. As far as the store stuff, I will email her. I would rather speak to her because to me, things can get lost in translation, even in text. So I feel it's better if I speak with her so that way she understands when I ask about bulk and how to mix the items and, you know, and all this stuff. So I think it'll be a better understanding if I were to do it that way. So I'm going to email, I'm going to get her phone number and just kind of touch basis and let her know what the purpose of me trying to get in contact with her is. And then hopefully she has the time to reach out to me so that we can discuss, you know, how to go about this. And then